अपने ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में अपने कौन कौन से आपके जो फ्रेंड्स होंगे उनको भी बच्चे हैं तो किन्हें किन्हें आप एडवाइस करेंगे आके इसका मजा लें क्योंकि ये हिंदुस्तान में पहली बार इस तरीके से थीम पार्क लॉन्च किया गया है.
Because somehow I have access to this place before anyone else, I'm going to utilize that for only myself for the first 10 years.
And after that?
And after that, I will choose my favorite places, and yes, like you said, I will tell all the boys and girls, the actors and actresses who have children and who also don't have. I was just discussing, on a weekend, bring them over and show them that how we are preparing kids for a social understanding of the world in a better fashion.
First offer किसे देंगे? कौन है वो special friend?
I think that Jui's got kids, Madhuri has children, and I'd like to bring them over, and so many other people. My other friends, Chunky, and we have 4 or 5 friends in the house. They all have children. I'll bring them all, inshallah. And the business part of it, Sanjeev Paras will tell you.
Yes, please.
In terms of it.
What would you like to know about the business part?
Like.
Do you want me to answer in Hindi or English?
As you comfortable.
Because I'm comfortable in both, but for the sake of Mr. Javier, I better answer
Please
in
in
English.
English.
Kidzania is a global concept. We already have 13 operating Kidzanias across the world, and this is the founding date of the 14th Kidzania in the world. Globally, Kidzania has been a success wherever it has opened. To give you an example, in Tokyo, it was sold out for 6 months when it opened. Even today on the weekends, there is a waiting period. So we are very confident that in line with the global success, and children everywhere are the same. So we are very confident that we will be equally successful as all other Kidzanias, and we expect in the first year of operation to have close to 700 to 750,000 guests in Kidzania, Mumbai. So rest, we leave it to what actually you see. You are most welcome to come and see when we are actually open to public and gauge for yourself as to how successful we'll be. And we will make sure that our commitment of giving children a great experience with fun and education and socialization will be there. Thank you.
Shahrukh, questions for you? Yeah. Hi. Shahrukh, in the past there were not much facilities available for kids, like especially when you were young, and of course we were young as well.
Please say both of us were young, otherwise
both of us. But can you just take us down memory lane and tell us how do you used to entertain yourself जब आप छोटे थे?
I used to play, I don't know, Gulli Danda, Kanche, and I think you are much younger than Gulli Danda and Kanche, so you would have seen that. And I used to play I Spy, I used to play Stapu, I used to play Police and Chor, और हम दिल्ली के हैं तो दिल्ली में बोलते थे ऐसे कॉलोनी के अंदर दीवारों वालों के पीछे पीछे छुप के हम खेलते थे ये सब. एंड मुझे याद है दिल्ली में पहली बार फर्स्ट टाइम एनीथिंग क्लोज टू अ थीम पार्क गेम वाज अ थिंग कॉल्ड अप्पू घर, और उसमें एक बनाना बोट थी, और बहुत चाव से और बहुत खुशी से लाइन लगा के महीनों का इंतजार करके हमारे पेरेंट्स हमको वहाँ पर ले गए थे. एंड इट वाज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ आवर लाइव्स. एंड उसके बाद ऑफ कोर्स फिर मैं बड़ा हो गया, लड़कियों के साथ खेलने लगे. but the experiences were all of them. I don't think, like I'll be very honest, none of us in India have yet experienced a genuine children's space. Yes, there are some theme parks and they're wonderful and they're doing very well, mashallah. And even in Delhi, since then some have grown, and there are now arcades. There are some indoor football places I've been made to understand in some malls. Awesome. These things are increasing because children need to have space, especially in a city like Mumbai. You really need to have, when I'm from Delhi, so when I came here first, I really used to go out looking for a space for kids to play. And it's difficult to find one, So it's nice that we have an opportunity like this, where not only is it space to come and just hang around and play, it's actually a whole world created for you. So my growing up, yes, was in the real world. We come from a background, I'm sure Javier got the idea, playing in the real world and thinking, I have role plays and I have thoughts. Can I have access to the things? Can I have a real car? Can I have a real fire? Can I have a little hospital bed? Can I have a pizza store? Can I have a television set? So all those things are now accessible in a safe environment, which is beautiful to look at and experience. So the childhood experiences are now, all of us, being put in here. And that's how I describe it.
Okay, Shahrukh, one more question. Now the Teachers' Day is nearing. So can you just share experience कि आपने अपने teachers से क्या सीखा है या education पे आप कितना ध्यान देते थे?
I had a little advantage with teachers, that's what they told me. Most of my teachers, when I was growing up, told me I had the devil's smile. So I never got into trouble with my teachers. So I was very naughty, and I used to do everything that a young kid is supposed to do. But I was really taught by some of the most wonderful women and men. And I really owe everything to what I am. I have had Brother Eric D'Souza, Miss Bala. There were some wonderful teachers I've had. As a matter of fact, in my book, I actually dedicated a whole writing space to them because they were fantastic. And some of the things they taught me at that time didn't seem so good to be taught, especially when you're spanked and when you're kind of reprimanded for things. But now I remember them and I cherish them. And I think for Teachers' Day, and I would actually request the organization here that you should have a Teachers' Day special. That the teachers come along with the students and take them all around and show them how you can learn in the real world except just the books. Studies are actually becoming much more practical now. I do it with my kids. It's very different. It's very hands-on. This is even more hands-on. So I think, we should have a Teachers' Day special, inshallah.
Can I request to have the last two questions, please? Because we got a lot of ceremonies for you to see, right from flag hoisting to actual activities.
Fire
thing, exactly. So can we limit it to last two questions, please?
Hi, Shahrukh, this question is to you. I represent a kids' lifestyle website called Kids Talk Press. And a very simple question that modern parents face today. Earlier it was just work, but today there's just so much for parents to do. And obviously you have an equally busy life. So we have work, we have social media, we have so many events, so much commitment. How do you manage to squeeze in that time with your children? And how do you manage their, obviously they're a lot grown up now, but how do you manage to, wave their tantrums through that, please don't go to work, or, really, how do you just squeeze in that time? And secondly, when you have enough of everything, how do you manage to teach kids the value of money? I'm sure Kidzania is going to do that, because when you play in the real world, it'll be a lot different. But, something to do.
I don't know your name.
Mansi,
I don't know. I'm naturally inclined towards children. I have this affinity to kids. And, for 22 years, you're right, I work a lot. I work like 12 hours, 14 hours, 16, 18 hours a day, and it's never stopped. I've been, fortunate enough, the work continues and gets more. And I love the work that I do. But there's nothing besides that I like to do, apart from being with my children. And the one thing I learned very early is that your children are going to grow up to be your best friends. As a matter of fact, they're going to be your permanent friends. They're the ones who have, for me, replaced even my parents in my life, because I don't have my parents. So I just kind of, treated them as equals. I've never, to be honest, kuchi-coot them. I have always treated them as adults, apart from the fact that they were little babies and diaper-changing stage. After that, I've treated them as adults. It's a very clear demarcation. With my daughter, I share the sad times. With my son, I share the fun times. So when I'm down, she gives advice, and I've always treated them like that. I talk to them, and never, as a matter of fact, what you said. And of course, my wife has been a great help.